let me put some good gloss on this right here. I don't know where this one's going to go, but if this one steps out of bounds, I'm going to smash on him. Here we go.
Its mask mandate next month. A lot of people are wondering what companies can ask about your vaccine status. Today, the federal government put out a new set of guidelines. ABC 10 News.
I've done a fucking 15, 20 videos, and it's the same song, 13th stanza. It says all they could do is put out guidelines, their opinion, their recommendation, and whatever. It's that shit ain't law, man, and it damn sure ain't no mandate. So what the fuck, YouTube? I am not misinforming the people. You cannot fucking mandate to us nothing. Not you or anybody else. You need consent. What the fuck? Raise up off me. I'm tired of this bullshit from you, YouTube. And a motherfucker can't ask you shit. Your medical, any medical shit is personal and confidential. It's none of your fucking business. That's the bottom line. You ain't got to prove a fucking thing to nobody. Who were they? God? Your mama, your daddy or something? The nanny? You better tell them to get fucked. But I got the remedy for you. You check out my channel. EUCATHOL. Yucathu. You will find me, man. Put the little audio at the end. And it's me, man. You can't miss me. Nobody's out here pumping the good throughout the hole. No. They ain't doing that. They only got it for a little bit of you. Some of yous. They buddies. They friends. The motherfuckers they like. I got it for all of you motherfuckers. Enemy and all. I don't give a damn. I'll convert your ass. I'll bring your ass over here to my side. See? I'm a real nigga. I don't give a fuck. Let's do it.
To anchor Derek Stahl is going in depth to help you sort it all out.
Deep.
Online, there are lots of posts claiming it's illegal for businesses to ask about your vaccine status because of everything from the Fourth Amendment to the health privacy law HIPAA. So we asked University of San Diego health law expert Rick Barton to set the record straight.
An employer who is not a healthcare institution isn't governed by the laws of HIPAA.
He says HIPAA only applies to specific health-related entities like hospitals and health insurance companies, so it doesn't apply to the grocery store down the street. And new federal guidelines released Friday make it clear businesses can ask their employees about their vaccine status.
Yeah.
They can require workers to show proof, like a vaccine card. They can offer incentives to employees to get vaccinated. And they can even impose a vaccine mandate on employees.
And you know what that is? That's a trick. That's a trick. Because they're not mandating anything there. You fucking consented. They got your consent. Right here. And they can even impose a vaccine mandate on employees. That's not a mandate. That's compulsory. That can be compulsory, but it ain't no motherfucking mandate. You know, it's like all the rest of this shit. What they be saying, we made a law that says that you got to do this, that. Yeah, for all the motherfuckers that fall under that company right there, what you working for. Or, I'm sorry, what you got a job for, that you got you're employed with. Well, then, yeah, you got to follow all that fucking shit, what you just signed up for and put your name down there and agreed to. So what the fuck? You let all these motherfuckers run their mouth on this shit and say all this bullshit, misinformation like a motherfucker. And then I'll try to clarify the shit, break it down, make it, you know, try to give motherfucker the proper perspective, at least hone in on the right fucking page. And you want to throw me out of the damn book? Ain't this a bitch? You better back up off my nuts, YouTube. I mean, you incriminate yourself like a motherfucker. What's wrong with you?
But they also have to try to accommodate workers who claim a medical or religious exemption.
And my advice is be really careful about how much information you ask.
Barton says employers can ask some questions to try to figure out if a worker's exemption is legit.
You can ask them for the specific medical exemption. What you can't do is go on a fishing expedition. If they're asking for information which is not relevant to the job that's being performed or is relevant to their particular business, then they're going to get themselves into trouble legally.
He says
you're
there
gonna
are
get yourself into trouble any fucking time that you're fucking with somebody, and if they know what the fuck's going on, you're gonna fuck it. You're gonna get fucked. That's what you're gonna do every time. They know this, but they're banking that. There's so many of you dumbasses out there, and nobody that knows anything that's going on there. They take their fucking chances. Well, guess what, folks? I'm out here. I'm finna start making these motherfuckers pay. I'm gonna make them think twice before they try that shit next time. I don't know about you. Stick with me though, and you'll fucking figure it out, and we'll make the shit stop. Well, I'll show you how to do it. I'm gonna get it stopped in my motherfucking community, and I suggest you follow my motherfucking lead, because I'm not going to be deterred, and I'm not turning around and going back into the field. I'm telling you, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to fucking do it. I'm not going. I will not bend. I will not. Bend the neck, bow the knee. I ain't gonna fucking do it. Kiss my ass, motherfucker.
Legal issues involving what businesses can require from their customers.
You can't require shit.
In general, experts say they can ask about your vaccine status,
and you can look right at them and tell them, I ain't gonna give you a damn shit, not a motherfucker. Where to do that up in this motherfucker who I need to talk to get you corrected? Because I called the motherfucker from Walmart. I called the corporate office. Yeah. And that motherfucker told me straight up, well, all you gotta do is find that motherfucker in the plain clothes shirt, because they got an associate at the door, and you didn't even speak to him. Because I told him like it was. You can't fucking, the civil rights law was enacted for this bullshit right here, because you can't put no motherfucking mask on and come try to tell me a damn lie. You fucking criminal. That's the reason why they fucking made it to where the motherfucker perpetrating like law. That's what the whole fucking civil rights shit was about. So come on with it. You know, they got it right quick. That motherfucker said, all you need to do is find that motherfucker that's our associate there at the door, and then they'll get you straightened out. They can't make you put on that fucking mask in there. Not if it's a publicly traded corporation. That's, no, they can't. Now, a private individual doing his own shit, he can close the door down if he want. It's his shit. But no, they can't do that shit at Walmart and Lowe's and them. They can't fucking do that, man. You better let them know. That's what I'm saying. They got to get your fucking consent. When you put that shit on, you agree. So they make it look all tough and bad and shit, but they can't do nothing. They're an agent. Whoever that motherfucker is an agent. And that means he's a proxy. He can't make no motherfucking executive decisions. I can make a motherfucking executive decision right now. You finna fuck around and you have a problem. I'm trying to tell you.
Ask for proof. But venues and shops can't flatly turn people away either who refuse to show a vaccine card.
You're going to have to be able to accommodate people who don't have vaccines, but you're going to have to do it in a way where you're not discriminating.
Businesses might have to offer those customers other options, like requiring they wear masks or delivering them products outdoors to avoid violating the Americans with Disabilities Act. Derek Stahl, ABC 10 News.
And
a Republican state lawmaker has introduced a bill that would make it illegal for a California business to require customers to show proof of vaccination before serving them. That bill has not come up for a vote yet.
It's coming though, because people is not going for this shit, man. This is some bullshit right here. And I mean, I'm not going for it, not 5 fucking minutes. I see you with the motherfucking mask on now, and I'm gonna bust your ass out. I'm scared. I want to know what the fuck wrong with this motherfucker, dude. Why is this some bitch got on a mask? Either this motherfucker is toxic, contagious. It could be an issue. Could be the harm to me. Could be. I mean, I'm looking out for this motherfucker right here. What's up? Or he's a dumbass and fucking he could damn sure get me motherfucking hurt or injured or something. So we got to do something. We got to address this shit. What the fuck? You two better back up off my nuts, man, before I get pissed off.